Welcome to Sri Venkateswara Institute of Mathematics YouTube ఛానల్. సో ఈరోజు మీకు 8.2లో జస్ట్ ఒక ప్రాబ్లం రిమైనింగ్ ఉంది. దట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు సాల్వ్ హియర్. సో దట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఈజ్ 9th one in 8.2 exercise. Okay, so that problem had been written by me on the board. Let me explain that problem. Listen to me. AX and dy are altitudes of two similar triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So that means here you have been given two triangles. The names of the two triangles are nothing but triangle ABC and triangle DEF. That two triangles are as well as similar, like in that way you have been given. In that two similar triangles, this AX and dy are two altitudes. But what we need to prove means AX is to dy is equal to AB is to DE. So here figure also haven't been given in the problem. Yourself you need to draw the figure. Yes. Now listen to me. ABC triangle. This is triangle ABC, and one more triangle which is similar to that also you need to draw. The name of this triangle is ABC, and then the name of that triangle is DEF. Okay, so AX, that means from this vertex you need to consider one line segment AX, that is altitude of that triangle ABC. So altitude means you need to construct a perpendicular. Automatically it can move to on the side BC. So that is nothing but AX, like in that way have been given in the problem. Next, in this triangle dy also you need to consider in that same way as its altitude. So altitude means that is perpendicular. So this is dy. That's all. Now listen to me. Here first you need to write the given information. What is the given information? Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar to each other. Or similar to each other. After that, AX and dy are altitudes. AX and dy are altitudes. That's all. Next, after that, required to prove. So what we need to prove here means AX is to dy is equal to AB is to DE, or this one also we can prove as AX by dy is equal to AB by DE. That's all. Now I am going for proof. Now listen to me. These two triangles are similar. That the two triangles are similar. Okay, but what we need to prove? AX by dy, AX by dy, that is equal to AB by DE. So AB by DE. That means here just these two subtriangles you need to prove as similar. Okay, so whenever you have been proved these two triangles as similar, the requirement of proof we can get. So now listen to me. So in triangles, what are they? ABX and DEY. In these two triangles, so angle ABX is equal to angle DEY. Angle DEY, because of triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. That's all. Next, after that, angle AXB is equal to angle DYE, that is equal to 90 degrees. So that means since reason AX and dy are altitudes. That's all. Now under A corollary, triangle, what is that? ABX is similar to triangle DEY. triangle DEY. Whenever two triangles are similar, so the corresponding sides in them, three pairs of corresponding sides in them are similar to each other. Now listen to me. So if you take this angle, the opposite side for that side is AX by, and for this angle, the corresponding angle in this triangle is this one, the side which is opposite to this angle is DY, is equal to, if you take the right angle here, the opposite side to it, that is AB, and its corresponding angle for this triangle, for this angle is this angle. The opposite side for that angle is DE, is equal to, after taking these two angles, the remaining angle is here, that one in this triangle. The opposite side for that angle is BX, and here also the opposite angle, the opposite side for this angle is EY. Now listen to me. You can take these two ratios or these two ratios or these two ratios. But here we need to observe one second. What we need to prove here? AX by DY, that is equal to for what? AB by DE. That one we need to take. So AX by DY is equal to AB by DE. So that implies to AX is to DY is equal to AB is to DE. Hence proved. Okay, just watch that problem. Yes, let me continue the class with theorem 8.6. What is the concept of that theorem 8.6? If two triangles are similar, then we need to prove the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides of squares. That's all. So this theorem we need to prove. So 8.6 theorem of concept is nothing but, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding areas, that means whenever two triangles are similar, the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. That one we need to prove. That is the main concept of this theorem. As here, to prove this theorem, first of all we need to take two triangles, and altitudes also we need to construct in them. So constructing altitudes in these two triangles, we need to write them in construction part. First of all, what is the given part here means two triangles similar, like in that way have been given two triangles. The two triangles by taking, we need to prove their areas ratio is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Listen to me. So first, given part, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So let me construct that two triangles which have been as similar. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now listen to me. So here, this is a perpendicular we need to construct from this vertex A, that is here I am taking as AD, and one more perpendicular in this triangle from P I am taking, that is I am taking as PS, and here also you are having 90 degrees of angle. Now listen to me. Yes, required to prove, that is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to, if you take this side, square of that side by, and the corresponding side for this side in this triangle is PQ, or next if you take this side in this triangle, it's a square by, and it's this side of corresponding side in this triangle is QR and it's a square, or next if you take this side here, AC square by and PR square. That one we need to prove. So here Here we can prove just area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to either AB square by PQ square or BC square by QR square or AC square by PR square is enough to us to prove this theorem. Yes, now listen to me. Construction. Consider AD and PS as perpendiculars to the sides BC and QR. That's all. Now proof. Yes, listen to me. So here area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. That means half into, we are taking this perpendicular to the side BC, that's why BC is the base, into from this vertex we are taking a perpendicular, so that perpendicular we need to consider as its height. That's all. Now area of triangle PQR is equal to same half into base into height. Here half into, in that triangle we are considering that PS perpendicular to the side QR, so base is nothing but QR. What is height there? PS. That's all. Now listen to me. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to half into SBC into AD by half into QR into PS. So here half of just cancelled. By cancelling that two halves in both numerator and denominator, so area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR into AD by PS. That one I am taking as equation 1. Okay. Yes, now listen to me. So here now you need to consider these two triangles. These are, by considering the two triangles, it is very easy to us to prove that two triangles are similar, because of this angle is equal to this angle, because these two main triangles are similar, and AD and PS we are taking as perpendiculars in these two triangles. That's why angle ADB is equal to angle PSQ is equal to 90 degrees. So in these two triangles it is very clear to us two pairs of corresponding angles are equal. So whenever in two triangles two pairs of corresponding angles are equal, the two triangles are similar. So when two triangles are similar, three pairs of corresponding sides in them are in proportion. By taking that one, we need to prove that problem. Yes, now listen to me. So here in triangles ADB and what is that? ADB and in triangles ADB and PSQ. In these two triangles, listen to me. Yes, angle ABD is equal to angle PQS, because of triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. After that, angle ADB is equal to angle PSQ, that is equal to 90 degrees. So here AD and PS are altitudes. So under AA corollary, triangle ADB is similar to triangle PSQ. That implies to AB by PQ is equal to SBD by QS, that is equal to AD by PS. Here I am taking AD by PQ is equal to AD by PS. Okay, so AB by PQ is equal to AD by PS. That one I am taking here. This one you can take as equation 2. Now listen to me. Here given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so that implies to AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, that is equal to AC by PR, so that implies to. Now listen to me. Here BC by QR is equal to, I am taking AB by PQ. This one I am taking as equation 3. Now listen to me. In equation 2, AD by PS is equal to AB by PQ. So in this equation 3, BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ. So these two equations we need to substitute in equation 1. How? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to, in BC by QR, you can take AB by PQ from 3, and in AD by PS you can take as AB by PQ. That's all. This is from equation 2. Okay, now listen to me. So equation 1 implies to area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to, BC by QR is equal to, for what? AB by PQ into, and AD by PS is equal to, from 2, for what? AB by PQ. AB by PQ. So hence you need to write the reason from first this one 3 and this one from 2, from 3 and 2. Okay, similarly, okay, so here listen to me. By taking from this vertex the altitude to BC and from this vertex to altitude QR, we have been proved area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square by PQ square. It had been proved by taking the altitudes in that two triangles AD and PS. If you take the altitudes from this vertex B, okay, from this vertex B, so whenever you have been taken these two altitudes, it had been proved as AB square by PQ square. And if you take this altitude from this vertex and altitude from this vertex, you have been proved BC square by QR square. And whenever you have been taken these two altitudes in these two triangles from vertices C and R, you can easily prove AC square by PR square, but they are need not to prove necessarily. Okay, so now listen to me. Simply you can write similarly. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to SBC square by QR square or AC square by PR square. Therefore, finally, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square by PQ square or BC square by QR square or AC square by PR square, hence proved. That's all. Listen to me, just one thing you need to remember. One more time I am saying this information. So whenever you have been taken this altitudes AD and PS, so it is useful, that means it is proved by you as AB square by PQ square. Okay, observe one more time. Whenever you have been taken altitudes AD and PS, you have been proved AB square by PQ square. If you take the altitudes from this vertices, then you can prove BC square by QR square. And if you take the same altitudes from these two vertices, then you can prove AC square by PR square. That's all. Okay, yes, just you need to observe that theorem which had been proved by me on the board. Okay, yes, now just theorem 8.6 had been completed for you. After that you are having some more problems, example 8, example 9, example 10. So these three problems I can solve for you in one video. Okay, after that I need to go for exercise 8.3. So in exercise 8.3 we are having just 8 problems. So I would like to explain three problems in one video. So automatically 3 videos it will take to complete that 8.3 exercise. After that you are also having some more important theorems which are very important to you in your public examination, nothing but Pythagoras and its converts. Okay, yes, here the expected theorems maximum in this 10th class syllabus for your public examinations, they are nothing but basic proportionality theorem and its converse. Next after that Pythagoras theorem and its converse. So not only them, so remaining problems also you need to solve, but whatever it is you need not to concentrate on the only important problems. So if you haven't been given that important problems in your public examination, it is very difficult to you to achieve your goal. Okay, that means getting 10 out of 10 or 100 out of 100, whatever they are. Okay, so try to understand each and every problem in geometry part, so it will evaporate your mind in vast way. So thinking capacity also you can increase yourself. Geometry part is nothing but very important to every pupil's life. So whenever you are having the basic knowledge of that geometrical part in 10th class, automatically it is very easy to you in your higher studies, that means intermediate, whatever they are, like in that way. Okay, yes, keep watching S.V.I.M channel, subscribe cheyandi, subscribe cheyinchandi. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నట్లయితే మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా ఒకసారి వాట్సాప్లో కామెంట్ పెట్టండి. మీ కామెంట్స్కి అనుగుణంగా నేను అక్కడ మీ కామెంట్స్లో చెప్పిన ఉన్నటువంటి ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్కి నేనైతే ఖచ్చితంగా ఆన్సర్స్ పెడతానని మీకు మరీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయించండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి. నేను పెట్టిన ప్రతి వీడియో కూడా మీకు ఒక నోటిఫికేషన్ ద్వారా వస్తుంది. సో మీరు మర్చిపోయినా కూడా సో వీడియోస్ వస్తున్నాయి అనే విషయాన్ని మీరు గమనించినట్లయితే వెంటనే వీడియోని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ S.V.I.M ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.